Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Let's see what's coming up, guys. For today's reading, we'll be picking cards from different decks, guys. So for your daily reading first, we'll be picking one card, guys, from this deck. For your love reading, I'll be picking 3 cards from another deck, and for your oracle guidance, again 1 card from the wisdom oracle guidance deck, guys. So these are for your love reading, Pisces. So 3 cards here and 1 card from the oracle guidance deck. So we will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, Pisces. So for your daily reading first, it's 2 of Spheres. So with this card, Pisces, in your situation today, you may be facing lot of distractions in your situation. This may be in your career situation or in your personal life. So you are losing focus in your work or in your personal life, what you need to do because of these distractions that you're facing. Or there are some hindrances and some blocks in your career or in your personal life. So you may be successful, you may be very good in your personal life, but it needs a lot of attention and it needs your time and energy to sustain that prosperity and happiness that you have in your life, guys. That is what this card is about. So you find it really difficult to achieve that balance in life, that harmony in life, maybe in your career situation because of how things are unfolding today, guys. Maybe some troubles, or there may be people distracting you, maybe because of how the circumstances are. Maybe you are having members in your family whom you need to take care of. That may be a distraction. Or it may be some kind of circumstance where you are unable to concentrate on your work and in your personal life. So you have to put in your time and energy into something else. That again may be the reason for things not going in a particular way in your life, guys. So whatever you have expected, it is your work or in your personal life, it may get some kind of blocks or some kind of delays you may be seeing, and it may not give that consistent results. That is what you may feel. Some kind of obstacles and confusions you are facing today, Pisces. That is what I see with this card here, guys. So let us see what is the card for your love readings. So what you feel in this connection about this person, or what they feel about you. What are the cards? Knight of Wands in reverse, guys. It's Page of Swords and 2 of Swords here. So again, with these cards in your situation today, guys, this may be what this person feels about you or what you feel about this person. And this, in your relationship, you are truthful, honest, and you both share that great understanding, guys. And this person you are in relationship or yourself, you are very logical. You know what you need to do in your situation, and you are a person of firm beliefs. But sometimes you because of the situation, how your circumstance unfolds, you are able to scrutinize your decisions. You think with clarity, and you are a very analytical and logical person in your situation. Whatever your situation demands. You do it with that clear thought, with that clear thinking. So that is what I see here, Pisces. And today you are making some harsh decisions today, guys. Really hard decisions. It may be something that you cannot compromise, guys. So it may be stressing you a lot. Some decisions that may worry some people in your life, maybe your friends or family or this person. So your decisions may affect them, you know that, but still you're making it because you are a very honest and truthful person, and you do not compromise on truth. So that is what I see. So some tough decisions that may be troubling you today, Pisces. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys. Maybe in your relationship you find it really difficult, guys, to go with that clarity and understanding with this person, that deep connection. There are chances that you may go for a short break, a separation from this person, maybe because of these hard choices that you're making today, maybe some tough decisions. So that may be the breaking point for them. So they may move away from you, or you may move away from them. So for some of you it may be a temporary break till you come to an understanding, till you resolve this situation, guys. So that is also what I see, Pisces. So what is your oracle's guidance, guys? So this card may or may not relate to your situation, guys, but this is a general guidance, what we can do to make things better, guys, in our life. So what is the card? Building blocks. Such a beautiful apt card, guys. This again means that you have to build your career or build your relationship based on truth, what you genuinely feel about that connection within your heart of hearts. So that is what this card stands for. So with the previous cards we saw that you are making some tough decisions because you are a person of truth and honesty. So again this card is about that, guys. So in order to build that strong foundation in your relationship or in your career situation, guys, you have to go for that genuineness, whatever you feel in your heart of hearts. Build that relationship based on honesty, humility, clear connection, and a genuine desire to understand each other. So when your relationship is based on that, we will be able to build that truthful, deep connected relationship, and yourself and this person, both of you, will feel stronger, wiser, and powerful together, guys. That is what this card is about. And the same way in your career situation, when you do your work based on that genuine goals or whatever choices that you have for yourself, your intentions, when you base it on that truthful intentions when you have in your heart of hearts, things will shape up in such a way that it will take you towards success, guys, in your professional life. So that is the guidance with this card, Pisces, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.